Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're going to be making some Texas-sized beef short ribs. What better than making them in the smoker that comes from Texas in the Lone Star Grill offset? You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how we get these beef short ribs made JP style. Check it out. These beef short ribs look fantastic, and to be truthful, they have just a little bit of fat on it that just got to be trimmed off. So let me show you how we get this fat trimmed off the top, and we want to try to get as much of this fat trimmed off because we want our ribs to take on a really nice bark on it. So we just start off with trimming as much of this fat as possible. Kind of similar to taking the meat off of a brisket. It's a little bit more expensive cut of meat than brisket. So we got to try to save as much of this meat as possible. So I'm gonna get just as much of this off as I can. And let me tell you, it has a very nice reddish color. I mean, it looks really nice. That off of the edge over here. You don't want to take a whole lot of fat off of it. That's the bone right there. Get this other piece. And if you're interested in knowing where I got these, you know, I got these beef short ribs over at Sam's. You gotta, they don't have them out on the counter. You have to ask the butcher or the meat cutter for what they call the 2-pack beef short ribs that come in the cryo vac, and they'll get them out for you. They'll take them out of the back and, you know, and put a sticker on it and, you know, sell it to you. And I got 2 of them. You know, they come in the 2-pack. So I'm gonna do them both up tomorrow in the Lone Star Grill. You know, it don't make no sense to firing up that smoker if all you're gonna do is just one set of ribs. Heck, do them both. Invite some friends over, family, you know, people that, you know, you love, people, family and stuff like that. You know, have them come over and enjoy some of your barbecue. That's what it's all about. You know, that's what barbecue's all about. When I was a kid growing up, we always had barbecue on the weekends. It seems like it was either, you know, my parents or it was over at my uncle's house. You know, we were always grilling chicken or grilling some fajitas, and it was a weekend thing. So, you know, I love doing stuff like that with family. That's as good as I'm gonna get it. I got as much of this fat trimmed off of it. So next step is we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. Let it serve as our binder for our rub. And all I'm gonna be using is just my J.P.BBQ rub. My J.P.BBQ rub is the best salt, pepper, garlic you're gonna find in the market, guys. You don't get no better than this. Got this blend custom made just for me. So if you're interested in any of my products, down below there's a link to my website. You guys go check out my website. Check out the products that I have for sale. They help promote, or not promote, they help support this YouTube channel of mine. On the back side, I did not take the membrane off. I left the membrane on it. I'm hoping that these beef ribs are gonna get nice and tender. So, you know, that membrane's gonna help it stay together. Here we go. Ooh, yes sir. Salt, pepper, garlic is all we're gonna put on it. Get it on the end of on the ribs, and just get it packed in there. You know, they're gonna come out really good. And that's it. We'll put that bad boy in the fridge, fire up the Lone Star Grill early in the morning, and we'll start smoking these beef ribs and see how they come out. Hey guys, these beef short ribs are done. It's time to cut into them and see what they're all about. They look, but I will tell you this, they look absolutely marvelous. They've taken on a really nice bark, and let's cut into it, see what it's all about. Ooh, man, I'm excited. See what this first one looks like. Oh my goodness. Did you guys see that? That thing just went so tender. Oh boy. Oh, this has gotta be the best beef ribs that I've done. Look at this. Isn't that a beauty? Oh, wow, look at that beautiful smoke ring that it took. It looks gorgeous. Oh wow, and just touching it feels so nice and tender. I gotta get a bite. I'm sorry. Right here, I'm just gonna take a little piece off of this one. Oh man, my mouth is just watering right here. Here we go. Look at this piece right there. Oh man, look at that beautiful smoke ring. Ow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is no words that I can describe how good this is. This is phenomenal. This is the best beef short ribs that I've done in the Lone Star Grill. It is absolutely delicious. Oh my guys. If you could taste this, look at this. Look at that. Look how it just shreds apart. Oh my God, my mouth is still watering. Oh. Man. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely delicious. The kind of wood that I used was oak, which is typical for what they use out in Texas. These beef ribs, I got them at Sam's, because Sam's is about the only place in town where you can go and say, hey, I want some beef short ribs that are still in the package, not cut, and this is what you get. This reminds me of when I went to Texas and I went to Black's Barbecue and I had that massive beef rib there. That's what this reminds me of. It is absolutely delicious. I gotta get some more. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna get the rest of this cut. Oh wow. Yeah. Wow, it's good. I'm gonna get the rest of this cut, guys. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Do me a favor. If you get a chance, right there in the corner, there's a subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you're interested in any of the products that I use, down below in the description, there'll be a link to my Amazon affiliate store and also to my online web store where I sell my products. If you guys get a chance and you buy some and you click on that link to take you to my Amazon affiliate store, it doesn't cost you anything more, but if you buy something through that link, you know, I get a little bit of the proceeds and it helps support this channel. Also, my online web store also helps support this channel as well. But I appreciate you guys very much. I'm going to cut this up, gotta feed the family, and I will talk to you guys later. Appreciate y'all very much. Thank you. Mama, this is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. Ma, you gotta try this. This is, oh my goodness, it is wonderful. Woo. Oh, I'm still recording.